Hello everyone, today I will show you how to merge layers in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now click on this right sidebar arrow and select this layer option. And there are two layers. This is second one. Now click on this option, this arrow, and here you will find the merge layer option. Click here merge and simply select here add all. Now select OK and select yes. See this text, this operation cannot be undone, and select yes, and see this two layer now merges into one. Now you can merge this one and select OK, OK, and see this. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.